qualification of the members of Lok Sabha. This is class 9 book, no?
10.
Class 10 ICSC Indian History. Avichal Publishers. Okay. Qualification hoche, if a person wants to be chosen as a member of the Lok Sabha, first there are certain criteria. A, sun ke sekh lo, he must be a citizen of India. He must not be less than 25 years of age. And he must possess such other qualifications which may be prescribed under any law made by the parliament. A person shall not be qualified for a seat in the Lok Sabha unless he is registered as a voter in any of the parliamentary constituency. में उसको voter होना पड़ेगा. तो ये तो है qualifications. Then there are various disqualifications also. Now what are they? A person is disqualified कब होगा? First, if one holds an office of profit under the government of India. He is holding an office of profit and again he is applying for to become a member of the parliament. Now, some 56 offices now would not be regarded as office of profit for this purpose. अभी कुछ changes हुआ, उनमें से 56 office को office of profit माना नहीं जाएगा. Next, if a person is of unsound mind and stands so declared by a competent court बोल दिया कि ये पागल है, then he will not be, obviously, how can he be elected as a MP? Third, if one is an undischarged insolvent, देवलिया declared हो गया है, he doesn't possess anything, लक्ष्य जल्दी. And if a person has ceased to be a citizen of India, he is no more a citizen of India. And if one is so disqualified by any law made by the parliament. These are the reasons. No person shall be a member of both the houses of the parliament at the same time. You cannot be a member of the Lok Sabha and the member of the Rajya Sabha at the same time. No, not possible. Neither can a person be a member of both the houses of the parliament and the state legislature. That is also not possible. Lok Sabha and state legislature, Vidhan Sabha, that is also not possible. Then expulsion. Both houses of Indian parliament have the power to expel a member whose conduct has damaged the dignity of the house. Next, that is expulsion. Nikal diya jayega. Ever, now we come to oath. Oath of affirmation by the members. Every member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, before taking his seat, they have to take an oath or make an affirmation that he will be true, he will bear true faith and allegiance to the constitution. Secondly, he will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Third, he will faithfully discharge the duty upon which he is about to enter into. Then, vacation of seats. What are you doing? हाँ तो करो. The seat of the member of either house becomes vacant. कब vacant हो जाता है? If a member resigns his seat by writing to the speaker that I want to resign, resignation दे दिया. Second, if a member without the permission of the house is absent from all the meetings for a period of totally 60 days, वो आया ही नहीं तभी. Third, if a member becomes subject to any of the disqualifications laid down in the constitution act of the parliament, कुछ disqualifications दिया था, and that person is subjected to that disqualification, then also he has to vacate the seat. So या तो वो resign करेंगे, या तो वो absentee होगा, या तो वो disqualified होगा. 3 reasons. Then, what do you mean by quorum of the house? देखो, हर मीटिंग के लिए quorum होता है. Quorum means minimum इतना persons तो होना ही चाहिए in order to make the meeting valid. Suppose 532 members है, उनमें से एक member आके बोल दिया हम तो decision ले लिया. That is not possible. So quorum is the minimum number of persons who must be present to make the meeting valid. যে কোনো meeting there is a quorum. A quorum is the minimum number of members required to be present before a meeting is allowed to begin. Now, the quorum to constitute a meeting of this house is 1/10 of the total number of members. যত আছে, ধরো 532 members, তাহলে 53 members at least should be present, but 54 members should be present. This includes the speaker or the person who presides over the meeting. मैंने speaker को include करके at least 55 members होना चाहिए. 55 members. It is presumed that there is a quorum throughout. আচ্ছা, আরেকটা কথা, the quorum should be throughout the sitting of the meeting. যে এক সেকেন্ড quorum করে দিয়েই সবাই বেরিয়ে চলে গেল, একটা লোক রইল, that is not the case. Now, in case of lack of quorum, the bell will be rung. If there is quorum, the house will proceed. Otherwise, the house is adjourned due to lack of quorum.